Yeah, my people, today I want give you a very good important advice. Say as this quarantine they over soon, I just want quickly give you this advice. Some people they will be say they be fan of one particular thing or some things like that. I know say some of them don't go take this advice when I want talk so. But some people will still take her like I always they talk her. It is more better to be a fool for 5 minutes and be wise forever than to be wise for 5 minutes and be a fool forever. If only the wise go understand the parable where I make. Understand? So some set of people that they argue this video it don't tell where they do am, but I stay within this quarantine. And this quarantine now when it newly started about a month plus ago when this thing happened. But I be want to do the video before. I just say well may I leave am. But when I say the thing every time I just my see they say I said I need to do this video because at least among 100% people at least 10% go learn from wetin I want talk. Yeah, sometimes when they talk mock news, but if you look at in every mock news, there is always an element of truth, an element of fact. At least if you look at what you'll see waiting one really talk. So this set of people they inside parlor and people they video them because we say that joke the very first time. What we say the thing now what I don't pass Gary. They come they argue. This one say, I love Davido. I like Davido. I like Davido. Just say, no mention that name again. Wait, no mention that name again. I think say na joke. He say if you mention that again, I go break your head. And the person say, wait, I'm like Davido. Before I know what happened, oh, I want more. I just see the video. Essential.
Davido, forever king, my best guy.
When you talk rubbish.
Forever king, Davido, na my best artist. Forget, every day I go dey talk am for this house.
Cause of waiting.
Davido don help many people.
How many people don help? You help your papa?
Forget Davido, I think that our young people dey pufu Davido.
Say wetin? Ogbeni, you no dey talk am for this house.
Why no go
yesterday you talk am, today you talk am. Say wetin?
Only mama Jack wey dey blow the
No dey talk am for this house.
Wetin la want to see?
No dey talk am for this house. No dey hear word. No talk am, I go break blood for you.
Davido!
When dem do help you,
Davido!
you dey mad. I say no dey talk am again.
Jesus!
What happened?
Una see the video. Okay, very good. This video now one I just watch. It don't tell where be say happen, but I just say me I do it now. When this thing happen, Davido they battle with a girlfriend sickness. That time when a girlfriend take contact coronavirus. Davido don't even know whether una they exist. Where una just they do this nonsense. Una just they want kill. Even the guy say I feel die for her. Which means Jesus will die for you now in vain. Jesus na fool now when they die for you. But no be there where they go. Una remember one video where I do that time. I see this picture now. This picture I go remind you now the video. I go just show small because I don't first I want more to watch when I can't know what I want to talk. Oh yeah, essential. Very good. Now remember this video. When I take Dwan, those people, they knew that time. Do you know that after this kind of fight, because of wives, After this kind of fight because of wives, they rush them go hospital. One die on his way to the hospital. The other one, as they treat her for hospital, now that other one they die. You understand? Two of them just die like that because of wives. You know, say our first advice for that one. Most of us not take. Most of us still take and see some comment where people comment. Some still talk. That nonsense the way you talk. So if I like her, it go make me grow. Okay, but those ones now, rest in peace or rest in peace. I don't know. If they reach where God want judge them, and now only God know what they want tell God, waiting bring them come there. But no, what I want to be that. What I want to be this. Those people will say, that they argue because of Davido. Davido don't know whether they exist. Even now, since I don't wait to, I never even hear say news carrier say Davido go treat the person for hospital where they break his head because of a name. Why they talk this thing there? Most of una men will be say una cannot do without, for me I beg. If una not say una fit die for me, at least when they talk about my name, Agbons, I want to hear that. Many person say I can die for Agbons. I understand. I go like her. Say how come they work like this? Never say want die for me. I might not. Understand? I don't want talker. I don't want talker. You understand? But waiting at the top, you say some men will be say, una get family for house, but una they take all those tasks, all those tasks in place of your families. I the talker, me, not take a personal, but I the advise people. If I am opportune to say I carry mic, no talk, no be for church or everywhere, no talk, no be only for church, I will talk the same thing, even though the person dead there. If you know say you are a fan of football, you they value football past your family. It's very bad, fire, you get one place for fire, I will still wait for you. I know what I'm saying. Because I remember this thing happened that I think in Lagos, when one man mistakenly slapped his wife, just because that time where Nigeria and one country, I not be fan of football. When Nigeria and one country play final, when they win Nigeria, he used mistake they slap his wife, push his wife from upstairs. Now say his wife they die for there. Even in my president, that one I hear for news. Koro, I remember that at this small that time. When be say my uncle, he they watch the match. Although he don't die now, may so rest in peace. He they watch the match. Now my uncle, so that man will be say don't born or even get grandchildren. No, he they watch the match. Now one of a grand children come. Maybe mistakenly one go bring cup. The cup will go bring come. Maybe the cup not be the one way send that. He just carry the cup, use that throw and give and break his head. Why? Because they score Nigeria. And those people, they don't know whether they exist. They don't know whether they exist. You don't just kill yourself. Kill yourself or jeopardize your family. Oh God, may God help me. I don't even know the meaning of that English. Or put your family at risk just because of some stranger. Yeah, I call them strangers. Like me now, everything where they do my family first. Even if we get it to no, I beg not prove me wrong. Understand? Understand now. Just understand what I'm saying. Down on my own point of view. Even if I get it what they do for church, my family first. I'm telling you. There is no way be say my family not eat. I can't go church, can't go the feed for church. Or my family not do okay. I can't go church, can't go they do. I know what they talk. If I say do, no, it means many things. Understand? Maybe for example now, my family now, we get problems we need to solve. There are several times where they will invite me. Yeah. Although some people want me before they know they do me again, but that is my own life. Now my own life is that one. If when people want me, don't try and do that. Then why should I pretend? I don't feel pretend. People want me, I say that is true. If I say me and my wife, we are not in good terms, and I get where I want to go speak, maybe they say me I come motivate or preach or teach, I will not do that. I no go do it. I will just go and beg, help me do this thing until I settle with my family. That is my life. Because if me and my family are not in good terms, I don't think go stand for public or go they talk anything. You know, that is I don't get that free mind to do anything I want to do. So I do make sure say I settle my family before I go outside. So why they talk this thing now? Just look at how those people now just they. I mean, one that I don't know. Nobody say they enjoy that. How that guy just they break his head just because Davido. I like Davido, and even I beg my people, please, make we value wetin we get. Some people there now. I know say I talk about one thing for life that I know how people take comment. I don't take a person. I talk because of you when they watch me and because of other people. Not be for me. You understand? If you comment nonsense for my post, if I say I don't like her, I go block her. Understand? Or I go delete her. But for other people, no, they discourage people. I know why I do that live video. I also thank God the way people take. But people take her as if now I just bring her come and say now because no, not be because of me. You understand? Not because of me. Please, may we value wetin you get. So people don't be say no, their own people, they don't value them, but they value outsider. You know, I told this thing before. Yeah, I will talk again for another news. Let me say, for example, your own brother, your own sister, your own friend, your own somebody go they do, go they do the same thing now when they talk. You know they share, you know they comment too, but you go share outside that. Oh, just imagine now, this guy now maybe in his family now you get another person, you get person where they sing. You never want to talk about that one, but they talk about or no, so maybe that boy will break here, maybe that person they sing. Maybe that person even get talent way past the video. Oh. But you never value the person. But if they talk, say you feel die for somebody who don't even know whether they exist. I beg my people, waiting you get for her value. It's just like one girl. I know say some people now go, yeah, if you are that same person, the same to what they talk. The same to what they talk. You reasoner. I don't care whether. See, one thing about me is Pastor Chris, Oyedipo, Adeboye, TB Joshua, Kumuyi, Olukoya, Sulema, are they balanced then the same? We are all equal. They are equal. I not be anybody fan. I love everybody the same. You know, something happened in Italy one time. In Italy, one girl like that. Now see what the girl do. Just what the girl do. In our own church, our own church, they sell sticker. The sticker is just €5. €5 sticker, €5. This person not buy. I catch her when I talk to her. This person not buy. You don't buy the sticker. You know what this person do? In own church, oh, but she can't come up from there, travel for program. And she even tell me herself, she travel, She travel from Sicily. Now what we saw that data is from Sicily from Sicily, I think somewhere Ragusa to Catania. Where she take go program where Justice Suleiman do. She can't go buy handband where they said €20. When she come back, now I come ask her, I say how much says 20? I say you don't ever buy the sticker where your church they say. I say you see what you are saying. Do you think the God of John Suleiman will answer you? He not go answer you. Because if you cannot value the pastor which you work under and you are going outside to patronize the other pastor, how do you expect God? Is God partial? God is not partial. God not dey partial. Understand? I was very angry with her and I told her, she said yes, she knows say she wrong. She took on, even till today, she's my friend. She took the advice where I give her. I said this thing was very wrong. Very, very wrong. What you did is very wrong. Just take away they say €5, you not buy am for your own church. Oh, sticker €5. Even me myself that time, I wanna buy. You know what they do my things. I buy am, put am for Bible, buy am, put am for my door, and then where I did that and I government a house, I put am for. Even they not like am, but I put am. If anybody come, when I want them to know the Nigerian person there because na the sticker of the church there. If I cannot patronize my own, how can I go outside and patronize outside? Oh, you understand? Just see what happened just now. Just because of they don't even know whether they exist. And now let me tell you one thing. Your pastor. Now what I want to talk about again now. The girl will still they hear me now. Your pastor they serve God. John Suleiman they serve the same God. That same God will they talk. Now look at it too. John Suleiman don't know whether they exist, but your pastor know whether they exist. Your pastor know your existence. In fact, your pastor call you every time, talk to you every time. You understand? Now, who do you call first? If, for example, as a woman, you are the woman now, and you were born. Now maybe you dey in labor. Who you want to call first? Your pastor. Just let me know that they exist. I'm not against you buying the handbag, no. But I'm against you living your own life. Most women will be say, they call their husband Papa John. Papa John, Davido, Federici. You can't go church, they call your own pastor daddy. The day I go slap you. If they will slap you, that slap you go answer the call of God. You know they call your wife daddy, honey, sweetheart, but they call your own pastor daddy. Please value what you get. Value what you get. Just imagine now. Just imagine that the set of people will be say, I first tell Luna, but at the end they lose their life just because. Just see fight, they just fight. Just because they miss say their wives, they quarrel. They don't even say they settle one. They just engage themselves in fight. Finish. Now another one. Those people now only God will save that boy. And that now it don't become sky. I been a sky. It don't become ete. And I go no the meaning. It don't become ete for your head. Everlasting ete. I beg my people, may we be wise. I think this quarantine is enough for all. I don't say most of those people say they like football where they don't invest. At least maybe use this quarantine till learn. Give your family time. Give them time. Sometimes sometimes what I call they do now, if you see what they before I know they do it before, but I believe say after this quarantine I will still they continue they do it because I find a fun day. They play with my family. They play wars, they do many things. But we know they do it before. I bet I know they fight for waiting on concern una. Man don't kill yourself for waiting on concern una. Now when I this small, now I get that wisdom say Maradona or Okocha don't know whether they exist. Why should that die for him? Or more catching up, but look at them. Most of them are old now. They don't even. I don't see they talk about it, but now they play ball again. But you are still existing, still trying to. Most of them still try to struggle where they die for them that time. Now still they struggle for their life now. I beg, a word is enough for the wise. I'll leave you with this. Until the rotten tooth is pushed out, the mouth must chew with caution. I bet more will go to the next story. I bet more subscribe to our boss TV. Thank you very much.